Hello, students. I'm going to explain a question in this book, Grade 12, Calculus and Vector. So for Nelson textbook, I'm going to explain in Chapter 7 how to plot a R3 vector. Now in Chapter 7, there's a vector R3 plot. I'm going to illustrate for a P point. 3 x and y is set for 3 are positive and negative x, negative x, negative y, negative x, negative z. Let's start to plot it. Now I'm going to plot a z and a y and an x. So we label it. That's the x, that's the y, that's z. Now for the point P, 2, 3, 2, 4, and 3. So we're going to put 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3. So from here, we plot the x-axis first. So we plot it horizontally. I'm going to move the camera like that. So horizontal to a y-axis. And then the y-axis point parallel with x. And from here, we create a parallelogram. So there's 4 vertices. This one is at the origin, already have a z-axis. So each vertex, we create a vertical line. Now from here, so you're going to find the point here. So that's positive 3. We're going to plot it connected with this vertical line parallel with the x-axis. So we get a point here. So, and then from the point here, we're going to connect it. And then from the point here, we're going to connect it. And these 2 points, you parallel with the x-axis. And we create a point here, a parallelogram here, and parallelogram here. And that's how we plot it. Now, the next one we're going to plot is a negative x and 4 and 3. So I'm going to write this is the P1. Excuse me, yeah, I label it for P1, P2, P3, and P4. So I'm going to create P4. So we plot here. So we have a negative 2, so extend here. So x and y and z. Negative 2, 1, 2. And x is a 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we put here, yeah, a little bit over. And it's a 3 for a z. So we plot the x point first. Oh, excuse me. I forgot to move the camera. So we put it horizontal to y. And the y point is parallel to x. We create a parallelogram here, 4 vertices. So from here, we're going to create 4 vertical lines. 1, 2, 3, the 4 is z. And then we're going to create a point here, connected this point parallel with the x-axis. Connected here. So now from here, we're going to plot a horizontal line. So this parallelogram, we create a triangle already. So the next point we're going to plot is connected here. Now the last point parallel with the x. Then we get the parallelogram on top. Now this is P2. We finished it. A negative x-axis. Now we're going to do P3 here. P3 is negative x, negative y, positive z. Now we have a negative y, we need to extend here. We have a negative x, we extend here. So x is 1, 2, negative, y is a 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we put the point here. And 1, 2, 3 for z. So that's x and that's y. We label it. Now we're going to create the point for x is horizontal to y. So we plot the point. Yeah, just like that. And then for the y, horizontal with x. And from here, we create a parallelogram for vertices. So in these 4 vertices, we create a vertical line. One here, and one here, and one here, and one here. So, and then the first one we connect is this one, parallel with x. It will be up here. So the next one we connect is this point. So create a point here. Now we go to this parallelogram, we create a triangle already. So we need another point. So the point here will be up to here. So, and then we are going to, we're going to create a line. Now we extend this line longer. So we connect it here. So, and then from here, we have a point. So we're going to create a point here. Connected the line. Now we become a parallelogram on top. 4 vertices, and not this one. So 1, 2, 3. So 4 vertices. And that's how to create this 3D shape plot. You got the parallelogram on the base and the parallelogram on the top. So this called P3. So now I'm going to create P4. 3, x and y, z are all negative. So we just plot it here. So I'm going to make it like that. So that's z and that's a y. And we're going to put x here. Now if x negative, we extend here. So if y negative, we extend here. If z negative, we extend here. So we put arrow for all these points. So we're going to have an x is negative 2. Y is negative 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, and then you set negative 3. Now, the first point we plot always is x first. X parallel with y, so horizontal. We create a line. Now, the next point is a y parallel with x. Now you see we create a parallelogram here for vertices. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is at the origin. Now from these 4 vertices, we create 4 lines. 1, the second one is the z-axis. So 2 and 3. Now we have the z point. So this point has to be parallel with the x-axis. So we draw it. And we create a vertex here. Now here, this line has 2 vertices connected to the left. So the first one we connect is here. So we have a point here. The second one we connect is here. And these vertices connect here. You see, we create a parallelogram at the bottom and one at the top. And this is P4. So I illustrate positive point, negative x, negative x, negative y, and negative x, negative y, and negative z. So I'm going to show you P4 negative, P3, negative x, negative y, P2, negative x, and P are positive. So that's how you plot it. It's also artistic. So enjoy to doing it. Please subscribe my video, show you the easy way to plot F3 and with the parallelogram, the two shape of parallelogram. And this is, thank you. So this is Smart Kids Learning Center, the tutoring class, our contact number and the course we tutoring. I'm going to continue explaining to you for vector, for plot, and for calculation, for dot product, and cross product next. Thank you. Bye-bye.